A new AI tool has come out that has literally shaken the whole market. Its name is Seedream 4. Yes, I'm sure you've already seen it on social media. A lot of people are talking about it. And believe me, this tool is so powerful that it has even left Nano Banana behind. I mean, just think about it. On one side you have Nano Banana, and on the other side you have Seedream. Personally, I'd choose Seedream because it gives you 4K images. Yes, it generates 4K images with consistent characters. There are no watermarks here. For example, when you create images from Gemini or Nano Banana, you usually see a watermark at the bottom. But in this tool, you get 4K images without any watermark, as you can see on the screen. In today's video, I'm going to explain everything to you step by step how you can use Seedream absolutely for free. Yes, free of cost, and generate 4K quality AI images for your content while keeping your characters consistent. Seedream is an image creating model. Yes, not just an editing tool. You can create images from scratch and keep characters consistent from every angle. The images look so real that you'll be shocked. I hope now you understand why it's better than Nano Banana. Go to Google and search for elmarina.ai. You'll also find the link in the description box. We'll be using Seedream through this AI tool. After logging in, you'll see a prompt box. In the upper corner, you'll see this option. Click on it, and 3 more options will appear: Battle, Side by Side, and Direct Chat. Now select the Direct Chat option. Now go to the prompt box below. There, you'll see an image icon. Click on it. Once you click, a new option will appear in the upper corner. Here you'll find options like Gemini 2.0, Flash Image Flux 1, Schnell, Seedream, and several other image generators. All of these image generators are available in a single tool, which is quite impressive. At the bottom of the list, you'll find Seedream 4. Make sure to select it. Now enter your image prompt in the prompt box and click Generate. It will take a few seconds to create your image. The image is ready and the quality is outstanding. I used a dark-themed prompt here, which clearly demonstrates the advantages of using this AI. Now let's turn a low-quality image into a very high-resolution one. Before doing this, remember to upscale any image. Nano Banana work best. But this AI also performs very well. For this, first select the Direct Chat option. Then, click the image icon below the prompt box and choose Seedream. Now click the plus icon and upload your low-quality image. Then, type your prompt in the box to upscale the image to super high resolution. The image is ready, and it now has improved details and better color contrast. Now let's create a consistent character using Seedream. Again, follow the same process. Upload the character image, and in the prompt box, enter this prompt. You can also use your own prompt to get exactly the result you want. Now click the Generate option. In just a few seconds, the character sequences will be ready. The process is very easy, and anyone can create these images effortlessly. Now let's create product images using 2 images. Follow the same process as before. Click the plus icon and upload the product image, then upload the background image. You can use multiple images here if you like. Now, in the prompt box, type a prompt to place the first image onto the second image's background, ensuring they match perfectly. Then, click Generate. In just a few seconds, the image will be ready. So, guys, that was the step-by-step process of using Seedream 4 for free. I've shown you everything, so now it's your turn to try it out.